I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now select Action. Academy LMS. Connect. Next. Choose an Actions. Choose Course. Here are some advanced features in conditional logic. You can use it for your own requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Go to your Academy LMS dashboard and you can see here I have already enrolled 3 students in the courses. Now go to your other logged-in user. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Go to your course page and you can see that enrolled successfully here. Now go to your Academy LMS dashboard. And you can see that another student added to the enrolled course. Go to Student. Here you can see the data came successfully in the Academy LMS. Thanks for watching.